Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to live chat with the customer support team for Supercell ID. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up any Supercell game within which you have already logged into your account. After opening it up, tap on the menu icon and then proceed forward to your Supercell ID. Once you are sure that you have logged in to the appropriate account, tap on the menu icon and tap on Settings. And now you will see the Help and Support button. Go ahead and tap on this, and then tap on the chat icon at the top right corner. You will now see the Leave a Message option. Just tap on this option, and this will open up the Supercell live chat. Proceed with answering the few basic questions, and once your reasons are strong enough, you will be able to enter your own custom message. Once you enter this stage, you can just live chat with the support team by typing in whatever your query is, and you will see that the response will be immediate. If you don't get a suitable response, you can try again as many times as you want, and you can also modify your message that you sent to the live chat team. You can end your conversation at any time you wish, and through this method, you will be able to solve any of your issues by directly getting in touch with the support team through live chat. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to perform a live chat with the Supercell ID support group. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.